Good morning, families. Miss Scudiero here. Today, I'm going to teach you how to access your child's Seesaw account before you can put it on your cell phone or tablet. First things first is you want to be on a desktop or a laptop. I suggest being on the laptop your family got from school if you got one, or being on the laptop that only your child will be using. The purpose of this is once we do this step, anytime your child goes in the computer, they'll be logged into their Wake ID and then it will put them right in Seesaw. So the first step is to look at the top right of your Google Chrome browser. If you see this little person, you want to make sure it is gray and then click it to make sure no one is signed in. As you see, it says not signed in. If somebody is signed in, this will not work properly. In the web browser, you're going to type in seesaw.me. It will open up to the main page. You will then click Log in the top right. As you notice, families, this will open a new tab and you can close out the old one. You will then click on I'm a student for your child. I'm going to delete my login just so I can show you from a student perspective. Then make sure you hit sign in with Google. You're going to type in your child's email address, which is their school email address. I got permission to use a student's to show you. So it's going to be their first initial, their middle initial, their last name at students.wcpss.net. Then it's your child's first name, middle initial, last name. If that does not work for you, please feel free to email me privately. Then hit next. It will open up the Wake County sign-in. You will select student, then again, first initial, middle initial, last name. Now this time you don't need at anything. Click continue. Now that is my password, so I'm going to delete it. Your child's password will be their lunch ID number, which is also their student ID number. Now this number was emailed to you before staggered entry when you registered your child by the office. If you do not have their student ID number, please feel free to email me and I will send it to you. Now, it's very important you do not change this password. We will use the student ID number for everything, so please do not change their password. You will then hit continue to log in. I will hit no thanks because it's my account, but since it will be their computer, you might want to hit to save it. Now it says they don't recognize this because, again, this is my computer, but on your computer, they will recognize it. If not, just hit continue. It will say, welcome to your new account. And then as you can see, we are logged in. Now, if we look at the top right, you will notice my browser says I am Thomas Nash. So yours should say whatever your child's name is. For example, Juliet Osborne, it might say. So you want to make sure you're signed in as that. Now, anytime you sign the computer and go to Seesaw, you'll be signed in Google Chrome as that child, and they will be able to access Seesaw without logging in. Once in Seesaw, when he has work, you will see it here. You can click activities to see assignments they may have. In progress, which are assignments they are working on and may have not finished. And done are assignments they have submitted. If you click on calendar, it will show you some assignments that were submitted on certain dates or things that were posted. For example, once their first day school picture is posted, if you want to go back and look on it, you would click on the date. Now, Seesaw is not only used for submitting assignments for the child. They can also hit add and send me a photo of something they did fun over the weekend, draw me a picture, whatever they would like. I hope this was a great help to you. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you.